Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. Today's video we will discuss how to verify an error message. So I have already created a spec file error message.spec.js. In my previous test case, we discussed how to verify the login functionality. Let's see what happens if I give an incorrect password. It displays an error message. Now we are going to verify this error message. Since I'm using the same application, I'm just going to copy the test steps and paste it over here. And I'm going to make slight changes. So here we are not going to verify the URL. We have many methods to verify error message or a text. So when you go to the Playwright document, in the search bar, if you type test-assertions, you'll be able to see this assertion. Now I wanted to verify if the error message is visible, if the element is visible, or I can also use this method where I am verifying if the locator contains the text. So here it says I have to give the locator and I have to verify if the locator contains a substring. So a substring means this sentence is partially verified even if only one word is present from the entire sentence, it is still considered a match. So first let us inspect the error message. I can see we have a class and we also have a text, but text is very long. I'm going with the class. Okay, this is the locator. Let's go to the documentation. I'm just going to copy paste these two methods. Let's get back to our test case and paste it over here. I almost forgot to change the name of the test case. Let's change this name to verify error message. All right. Here in the place of the locator, I'm going to give the locator which we identified here. I'm just going to paste it. Okay, as I said earlier, we cannot give single quotes inside a set of another single quote. So I'm going to change this into a double quotes. Here I'm going to verify if this locator contains a particular text. Let us give the first part of the sentence because this is going to verify partially. So I'm just going to give the first part. Okay, let's execute the test case. So I'm giving the command npx playwright test. Inside the test folder, we have error message.spec.js. So I have given that here ---- headed, which means it will execute in the headed mode, and I'm going to execute only in the Chrome browser. Oh, sorry, I just forgot to give an incorrect password here. That's why the test case failed. How did I miss that? Let's execute again. Yes. So our test case passed. As you have noticed, the error message displayed, and we were also able to verify the error message. So, friends, I hope you have understood how to verify an error message. So, in my next video, we will meet up with a new topic. Until then, keep learning. Happy testing. Bye bye.